Hello students, we shall start with chapter 5 integers. It is one of the most important chapter in class 6. So you need to pay full attention to understand the concepts in the chapter. Alright. So imagine a situation that you have, let's say, 100 rupees. Okay. And you need to pay somebody, let's say, 50 rupees. Okay. And after you have paid, suppose to me you have 50 rupees, so how much you're left with? You're left with rupees 50, isn't it? To master 50 rupees thaki gol. So this is a very common situation. Okay, now imagine this. Suppose you have 100 rupees, to master 100 rupees eta ase, and you need to pay somebody 500 rupees. Now if I ask you, after paying 500 rupees, to master kiman thakibo? Most of your answers are most required because most of the 500 rupees are 9. But mathematically, can you express that number? No, right? So this is where your whole number fails. The whole number ki asile? Whole numbers are the numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and it goes on to infinity, isn't it? But if you have 100 rupees and you have to pay somebody 500 rupees, if you have to express that number is not in this set of whole numbers, isn't it? Obviously some of you are thinking that I need to write a negative number, isn't it? Negative numbers are not in whole numbers. When I say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there is no concept of negative numbers here, right? So mathematically now whole number is not enough. We need to extend our numbers and we have to include the negative numbers also. Let us take another situation. Some of you must have visited Shillong, right? Temperature there in places like Shillong and Shimla, so people say the temperature goes below 0. You must have heard these statements. Temperature goes below 0. Now, can you express this situation using whole numbers? No, because whole number starts from 0, isn't it? So that is a requirement of negative numbers. So to express this kind of situations mathematically, we are going to write negative numbers. Done? Okay. So now negative numbers, where they are in the number line. So if I take the number line, you must know this concept, right? So this is a line where I try to express all the numbers, right? So what the mid position, where you are going to stand initially? You are going to stand exactly somewhere here, that is at 0. Okay. Now if you take, imagine yourself there, and if you take one step in the right side, you are here, that is 1. If you take one more step, you are here, that is 2. If you take one more step, you are 3, you are at 3, right? It will go on. These are whole numbers. But imagine this, if you go backwards, you are one step. Now what you have done, you have taken a step but in the other direction. তুমি ইনিশিয়ালি এফালে গৈছিলো আমি ফরওয়ার্ড রাইট সাইডে, এতিয়া আমি লেফটলে গৈছো। সো আমি 1 লিখিব লাগিব, কিন্তু যেহেতু মই অপোজিট ডাইরেকশনত গলো, আই হ্যাভ টু রাইট -1। যদি মই লেফটত দুবাৰ যাওঁ, -2, লেফটত যদি মই 3টা স্টেপ যাওঁ, -3, like that. Clear? So these negative numbers were not there in the whole numbers. This set of numbers, that means, let me write it for you people. If I take the negative numbers and if I take the positive numbers and if I take the 0, then all these numbers are together called set of integers. I hope you have understood what are integers. All the positive numbers, all the negative numbers and 0. Now why I am writing this 0 separately? 0 is positive or negative? this 0 that is put over here, this is neither positive nor negative. This is again a very important statement. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 to positive or no, negative or no. Most of the students, they carry this misconception that 0 is positive. No, 0 is not positive, 0 is not negative. Okay. Now, we have to discuss about this number line little bit more now. Now, let me redraw the number line. Okay. So, this is my midpoint 0. This side are positive numbers. This side we have negative numbers. Okay. Now, imagine this. You are here. 3. How many steps you have taken in the right side? 3. You are here. How many steps you have taken left side? 3 again. They are opposite to each other, isn't it? So if I ask you what is the opposite of 2, that is minus 2. What is the opposite of minus 7? So what is the opposite of 2? Minus 2. What is the opposite of minus 7? 7. Okay. I hope you are clear with the opposite concept. Okay. Now, this is a big discussion now. Next topic, very very important. Please pay attention. I shall draw the number line again. Okay, so this is my midpoint 0, neither positive nor negative. If I am 1, 2, 3, 4 jam, if I am negative jam, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. Okay, now if I ask you, out of these numbers, 4 is greater or 3 is greater? Obviously, people can answer 4 is greater. But if I ask you here, in this side, let me write a 4, minus 4 here. Okay, now in this side, minus 4 is greater or minus 3 is greater? Now, some of you must be thinking minus 4 is greater. It is not like that. What is the rule? The rule is the number on the right side, is always greater. Right side of thaka number to hotai dangor hoy. So the minus 4 to right out ase, minus 3 to right out ase, minus 3 to right out ase. So this is wrong. Minus 4 is smaller than minus 3. Minus 3 to dangor hoy, because minus 3 to right side out ase. Okay. So by that logic, 0 is greater than all negative numbers. Negative numbers at 0 to dangor. 0 is smaller than all positive numbers, isn't it? All positive whole numbers. Okay, obviously 4 is greater than 3, but minus 3 is greater than minus 4, because minus 3, minus 4 right side ase. Tumaloke etue sabo lage number line saba jonto right side ase etu dangor hobo, right? So 0 to negative number khini right side ase hoine, number line dal joa 0 is on the right side of negative numbers, so 0 is greater than all negative numbers. 0 is on the left side of all positive numbers, so 0 is less than all positive numbers. Okay, so this is the basics of the chapter integer. Please go through this concept. Tomalake textbook khon uliwa, page number 63, chapter 5. Please read whatever is there, try to understand the concept, clarify the concepts. Tomorrow we shall discuss the first exercise. So to do the exercise, we have to have the clear concepts. So first let us build the concepts, then from tomorrow onwards we can start solving the questions.